Hey there, my lovely fellow web developers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a self-hosted free geolocation API for your website, so you can save money for your next pizza party instead of spending it on expensive geolocation API services. This free geolocation API service is called FreeGeoIP, and it's written in Go. The database used by FreeGeoIP is provided by Maxmind, and it's called Geolite 2 City. The best part is, even though the FreeGeoIP project is no longer active, their precompiled binaries still work, so we can use them to our advantage. Alright, enough chit-chat, let's get to work. First things first, you need to download the FreeGeoIP precompiled binary for your operating system and architecture from the GitHub project page. The link is in the description. It's like the golden ticket to Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, except instead of candy, it leads to the wonderful world of geolocation. After you've downloaded the binary, you need to sign up for a free account on the Maxmind website to get the IP database. And don't worry, you won't be asked to solve any complex mathematical equations, just your basic personal information. Easy peasy. Once you're done with the sign-up process, you'll receive an email with instructions to download the IP database. And just like magic, you're now one step closer to that glorious pizza party. After you've set up your password, you'll be granted the keys to the kingdom of geolocation. You can log in and download the database. Just don't get too carried away with all that power, or you might end up geo-stalking your ex's pizza delivery guy. Let's keep it classy, folks. Download the Geolite 2 City gzip database from the Maxmind website along with the SHA-256 checksum file to confirm the integrity of the database. Use the shasum command to check the integrity of the file. And if you're not sure what that means, just pretend you're a hacker from the movies and it'll be much more fun. Copy the database file and the FreeGeoIP binary to your server. So, fingers crossed that your internet connection doesn't have any trust issues with you today, and stays strong while you copy the files to your server. Log into your server and extract the FreeGeoIP binary. And if you forget your password, just try password 23. It always works in the movies. Decompress the database tar and look for the MMDB file. Compress it with gunzip since the FreeGeoIP binary expects a zipped file. I spent 30 minutes scratching my head because I used the downloaded tar.z file instead of compressing the MMDB file. It was a classic case of operator error, which is just a fancy way of saying I messed up. But hey, we all make mistakes. Run the FreeGeoIP binary with the DB argument to specify the path to the database file. Then visit the URL of the server to see the JSON output. Add the IP number you want to know the location of to see the result. And if it doesn't work, just blame it on the pizza grease on your keyboard. You know what's better than manually running FreeGeoIP? Having it run automatically so you can sit back and relax with a pizza while it does all the work for you. If you're as lazy as I am, then check out this video to learn how to set up FreeGeoIP to run on autopilot. Just make sure you don't fall asleep and drool on your keyboard, or you might end up with a different kind of geolocation.